I just want to say there's rules to FAAFO. For those of you guys who don't know what FAAFO is, it is fuck around and find out. If you're an FPV pilot, you know all about FAAFO. But for those of you who are not FPV pilots, here's a free lesson about FAAFO, and you should apply this to your GPS droning. I promise you, you will learn a lot quickly.
All right, today we're going to talk about how we can find out and how much we can find out and what it takes to get there. So first we have to decide how much do we want to find out. So let's say in this case, I want to find out at a level of 7. Okay, so I find that level on my graph and I come horizontally to my gradient line. Where it intersects with my gradient line, I'm going to come straight down to where it intersects with my fuck around line. Now there is going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out. See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you stay down here and you never fuck around, you'll never find out. So I hope this lesson is helpful. Thank you.